Alright, so today we're going to show you how to replace the handle on an Arrowhead faucet. This handle replacement pretty much works for all the Arrowhead residential wall hydrants. There's two versions of handle. There's a rubber coated oval handle and there's just an aluminum casting handle. Today we're going to be working on the rubber coated handle, which is the PK1295. So we got one right here. This is the PK1295 kit. That's the rubber coated, comes with the handle and the screw. On the back of it, it does have some instructions. It's pretty simple to do. All you're really going to need for it is a Phillips head screwdriver. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this one off. This is actually an Arrowhead Brass 460 series, but again, it'll work. This is for all of them, for all the Arrowhead Brass residential wall hydrants. You're just going to undo the screw here. If you have an older hydrant, it might be a little rusted, so it might be a little bit harder to get out, but it just comes out. And then again, you're just going to open the pack here, and as you see, it's a self-tapping screw. On the new stems, it is not threaded on the inside, so luckily this one's already been threaded, so it's going to be pretty simple. Make sure that the hydrant's in the off position, just so you can line the handle up and make it look good. Then you're just going to take the screw here and put it in there and thread it in. Again, that's how you replace the handle on all the Arrowhead wall hydrants, and this handle right here is the Arrowhead Brass rubber coated handle. It's the PK1295.